வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 9 ஜியோகிராஃபி யூனிட் 1 லித்தோஸ்பியர் 1 endogenetic processes lesson book exercise question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, dash is the rigid outer layer of the earth. Option A core, option B mantle, option C crust, option D inner core. Here the correct answer is option C crust. Second one, dash layer is made up of liquid iron. Option A inner core, option B outer core, option C mantle, option D crust. Here the correct answer is option B outer core. Third one, magma is found in the dash. Option A crust, option B mantle, option C core, option D none of the above. Here the correct answer is option B mantle. Fourth one, the movement of tectonic plates is induced by dash energy. Option A tidal, option B thermal, option C wave, option D tidal. Here the correct answer is option B thermal. Fifth one, in the ancient period, Gondwana land moved towards dash direction. Option A north, option B south, option C east, option D west. Here the correct answer is option A north. Sixth one, many million years ago, India was a part of the supercontinent dash. Option A Gondwana, option B Laurasia, option C Panthalassa, option D Pangaea. Here the correct answer is option A Gondwana. Seventh one, the movement of plates that creates stress and tension in the rocks, causing them to stretch and cracks result in dash. Option A fold, option B fault, option C mountain, option D earthquake. Here the correct answer is option B fault. Eighth one, dash refers to a bowl-shaped depression found at the top of the volcano. Option A crater, option B vent, option C chamber, option D volcanic cone. Here the correct answer is option A crater. Ninth one, the point of origin of an earthquake is called the dash. Option A epicenter, option B focus, option C seismic wave, option D magnitude. Here the correct answer is option B focus. Second Roman letter, match the following. First one, endogenetic process, volcanic. Second one, mantle, sima. Third one, convergent boundaries, subduction zone. Fourth one, earthquake, seismograph. Fifth one, composite volcano, Pacific Ocean. Third Roman letter, consider the given statements. First one, statement 1, Mount Fuji is a dormant volcano. Statement 2, Mount Kilimanjaro is a dormant volcano. Statement 3, Mount Tanzania is a dormant volcano. Which of the statement is or are true? Option A 1 is true, option B 2 is true, option C 3 is true, option D 1, 2, 3 are true. So here the correct answer is option A 1 is true. That is statement 1 is true. Other two statements are false. Second one, statement magma gushes out when it finds vents. Reason, interior of the earth contains compressed hot magma. Which of the statement is or true? Option A, statement and reason are true. Option B, statement is true, reason is false. Option C, statement is false, reason is true. Option D, statement and reason are false. So here the correct answer is option A, statement and reason are true. Third one, statement 1, mountain ranges are formed by the collision of tectonic plates. Statement 2, the movement of tectonic plates is due to the thermal energy from the mantle. Option A. Statement 1 is false, 2 is true. Option B. Statement 1 and 2 are false. Option C. Statement 1 is true, 2 is false. Option D. Statement 1 and 2 are true. So here the correct answer is option D. Statement 1 and 2 are true. Fourth Roman letter, answer in brief. Question number 1. Write a brief note on the various spheres of the earth. Question number 2. Mention the layers of the interior of the earth with the flow chart. Question number 3. Define plate tectonics. Question number 4. What is tsunami? Question number 5. What is a volcano? Mention its major components. Question number 6. What is an earthquake and how it occurs? Question number 7. What are seismic waves and mention its types? Question number 8. Write about the Pacific Ring of Fire. Fifth Roman letter, give reason for the following. Question number 1. Igneous rocks are also called primary rocks or mother rocks. Sixth Roman letter, distinguish between first one, core and crust. So differentiate core and crust. Second one, differentiate epicenter and hypocenter. Third one, distinguish between divergent and convergent boundaries. Distinguish between fourth one, primary waves and secondary waves. Distinguish between fifth one, shield volcano and volcanic dome. Seventh Roman letter, write answers in a paragraph. Question number 1. Describe the structure of the earth. Question number 2. Write a note on the internal and external processes of the earth. Question number 3. How are volcanoes classified based on the periodicity of their eruptions? Question number 4. Explain the effects of volcanoes. 8th Roman letter, map skill. On the given outline map of the world, mark the following. A. Pacific Ring of Fire. B. Earthquake prone zones, any two. C. Locate any two active volcanoes of the world. Tenth Roman letter, life skills. Imagine that you feel tremors or shocks in your locality. What will be your role in saving lives from destruction? List out the do's and don'ts. Next Roman letter, in text activity. Question number 1. Narrate the processes involved in the given rock cycle diagram in your own words. Question number 2. Here is a list of few mountains. Identify and locate with the help of atlas. In text higher order thinking question. Question number 1. Pacific Ring of Fire most seismically and volcanically active. Why? Let us see some additional questions. Choose the correct answer. First one. All the living organisms are found here. Biosphere. Second one. Earth's surface is a vast area of dash million. 510 million. Third one. Silica and aluminium are the components of the dash crust. Fourth one. Kola sample title is located in dash Russia. Fifth one. An aggregate of minerals on the earth's crust is called dash rock. Sixth one. Diamond is an example of dash rock metamorphic. Seventh one, in dash boundary, the plates slide horizontally past each other, transform. Eighth one, the collision with the Eurasian plate along the boundary between India and Nepal formed dash plateau, Tibetan. Ninth one, seismology deals with dash, earthquakes. Tenth one, an opening serving as an outlet for air, smoke, fumes, magma, etc. is called dash, vent. 11th one, Mauna Loa in Hawaii is an example of shield volcano. 12th one, upper layer of the earth's mantle below the lithosphere is called asthenosphere. 13th one, earthquake is the shaking or trembling of the earth's crust. 14th one, the science that deals with the physical structure and substance of the earth is known as geology. 15th one, volcanic eruption causes earthquakes, fast floods, mudslide, all the three. Second Roman letter, match the following.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.